Acura MDX making a noise on the serpentine belt tensioner. So I'm gonna replace the tensioner. This is making a noise. And also it wobbles a little bit. So I'm using breaker bar with a 14mm socket connected to right here the board. Wish I can show you a little detail right there, and then I'm gonna push it to this direction, and then I'm gonna take the belt out. So to take the bottom bolt, which is I'm talking about this one, in order to take this one, I was trying to fill in the location of the bolt, and I used 12mm socket with the extension like this, and this is 3/8 inch. So again, this bolt is 12mm and this is 14mm. So I had to put my hands like this and then fill the wheel, the bearings, the pulley, and then right underneath it there's a bolt. So that's what I'm filling it right now, and then use the wrench, and then there you go. There you go. Again, this is 12mm. Okay, so this is the old one that I took out from the car, and it has been 15 years of use, and you know, it's making a noise, but you know, I think it's not that bad, but this is the old. But the reason I'm changing the entire one is because I don't know if you can see, but this is the spring inside right there. There's a spring, and I guess because of the age, the tension of the spring got loose or something. So when I see, it's kind of back and forth a little bit. It's kind of wasn't stable. So that's the case. So this is the new one. So I'm gonna take this out and put it in here, and that's it. So the part that I got didn't come with the dust cover on here, so I had to unscrew and take out the cover, dust cover, and then put it back. While I was unscrewing this one, I didn't know that you have to do the opposite way. So you have to unscrew. In order to unscrew it, you have to counterclockwise to unscrew. So which is this way. And then to screw it, then you tighten it this way. So unscrew is this way. But I didn't know it, so I had to to unscrew it. So what I did was I was forcing it this way, and then end up breaking it. This. But yeah, I don't know why that the new one didn't come with the dust cover, and that was kind of extra work for me. But I think that okay, I'm done installing new belt tensioner. No more squeaking, wiggling sound. Only a smooth, no extra sound. But I noticed that a little bit of a movement of the tensioner. Maybe that's just normal. I'm okay with it. It's just no more sound.